In this case, Miss Lynch was born with cerebral palsy caused by injuries she suffered while still in the womb. Her pregnant mother was driving a motor vehicle on a farm and collided with an earth bank. Once Miss Lynch was born and her disability was known, an action was taken on her behalf against her mother. That might sound weird, but remember that motor vehicle accidents occur against a legal framework of compulsory third-party insurance. And so she wasn't really suing her mother. She was really suing the insurance company for compensation to assist with the management of her disability. The first question was whether she could sue for injuries which were caused to her by her mother while she was within her mother's body. After all, she was essentially a part of her mother at the time, and you can't commit a tort upon your own body. The court found that the moment Miss Lynch was born, she was a separate legal person, and so she was entitled to sue for negligence in relation to any negligence which harmed her, even negligence by her own mother in the womb. The second part of this decision is a bit more dodgy. Obviously, the impact of this precedent could be massive. For instance, could a child with fetal alcohol syndrome sue its mother? Could a child sue its mother for not having taken the right folate tablets or done the right antenatal exercises or something like that? The court tried to put boundaries around the duties of the mother towards her unborn child. Justice of Appeal Clark noted the intentions of the statutory scheme, which were that any person injured in a road accident as a result of the negligence of the driver of a motor vehicle will receive compensation. There are some problems with this. The question of whether a person is liable for negligence really shouldn't depend on whether they have insurance to pay the bills or not. Insurance or no insurance is really irrelevant to the question of whether a duty of care has been breached, causing harm. It's now been 30 years since this decision, and we haven't seen a slew of cases by children against their mothers, so this seems to have worked out, and it was clearly fair for Miss Lynch to be compensated for her injuries. Maybe all's well that ends well.